Hello everyone, welcome back to our one more new video. Today I will show you how to connect your Google Analytics 4 with your website through Google Tag Manager. Many people find this difficult, but I will make it very easy for you. Using Google Tag Manager is the best way to manage your website script without any mistake. In this video, I will show you every step from setting up your account to connect your Google Analytics 4 with your website. So follow me step by step and you will have it ready on time. Let's get started. In the first, to start this work, we have to create one Google Tag Manager account. So to do it, first go to your Google search and search Google Tag Manager. You will get this interface. So enter in this first website. Great, now we are here. Let's start the setup of Google Tag Manager account. Click on the Create Account button. Great. Now it's time to set up account and the container. In the first box, write down one account name for your Google Tag Manager. Let's take it as a test account. Now from here, select your country. Now write down the container name. This is our container name, is test container. Now it's time to select the target platform. Select web. This container type is web because this container will work for your website, and website is under web. That's why we select web. Let's click on the create button. Don't forget to allow this button from here. If you have time, you can read this, otherwise leave it. Click on yes. Great, it's loading. Great, your Google Tag Manager account creation is now done successfully. After successfully creating the Google Tag Manager, you can see this interface here. One by one, we will know everything about the Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics 4, but at the time, first work is to connect Google Tag Manager with our website. Without the connection in the website and Google Tag Manager, there is no another way to work with Google Tag Manager. To connect your Google Tag Manager with your website, you have to collect this first code from here. You can see, according to the instruction of Google Tag Manager, you have to place this fast code right after the head section. So copy the code from here and get back to your website. Right now we are in our website backend At the time we're using WordPress, same CMS, but your CMS can be different. Let's start with the WordPress. If you are using WordPress CMS, then after enter in your website backend, click on the appearance, and under the appearance enter in this theme file editor section. After enter this section, find out the header.php and click on it. After click on it, you will enter in the code section where you will be able to find out the head section, the targeted head section, where we have to place our GTM code. And you can see how we place the code immediately after the head section. Please follow the same approach for your site as well. Now add the second code to your body section in the same way. To collect the code for your body section, go back to your GTM again. Here you can see one more code, and according to the GTM, we have to place the second code right after the body section. So copy this code, get back to your website backend again one more time. Look here how we place the code here under the body section. Here you can see the body. Great. The body section code serves as an alternative to the main code. If in some browser your main code doesn't work, then this code will handle it. This is beneficial, but you can continue without this code also. You have this option. After successfully place this both code in the right place, click on the update file. After successfully updated the file, we have to check the connection between Google Tag Manager and your website. So go back to your website again. Here in the place you can see one box. If you place your website URL here, you can test the connection is working perfectly or not. But sometime for any reason you can get a message that your tag isn't detected in your site. Don't worry, we have one more way to check our connection is working perfectly or not. Close it. Here is the preview button. Look at this preview button. Through this preview button, we can check our tracking is working perfectly or not with your website. Tracking means GTM connection is working perfectly or not with your website. So click on the preview button. Great. Here in this place, paste your website URL and click on this connect button. Our site is loading. Let's see our connection, our created connection is working or not with GTM. Right here you can see it's working perfectly with our site. Just a minute, let me run one. Look here in this page. Our GTM is now connected successfully with your site. Here you can see the tag assistant, and here you can see this message connected. Okay, so this is a way to connect your Google Tag Manager with your website, but we have one more way to connect your Google Tag Manager with your website if you are using WordPress CMS, and this is plugin. So let's start to observe the process. The another way of connecting your Google Tag Manager with your website is plugin. But before do it, don't forget to remove them from here. If you are not developer and you are using WordPress CMS, then plugin can be the easy way for you to handle this, because sometimes you can don't like to enter or edit your code, so enter in this plugin section. Now we have to add one plugin. Click on here. We have to add one new plugin. Search header. Let's create header. Here you can see a lot of plugins in the name of header and footer. Let's install this one. You can choose anyone from here as your choice. I choose this. After, great. Now it's time to activate. Great. After successfully install your plugin on your WordPress website, you can keep this under setting. Here you can see header and footer script. This is our selected plugin. Here you can see this plugin providing us header script section and body script section and footer script section. This is a really easy way to handle your code in your website if you are afraid to edit or enter in the raw code section. Just easily go back to your GTM, copy the code, the first one, place it under this head script, then again go back for the another code, copy, place. Great. Save setting. Right now your Google Tag Manager is now connected with your site. If you want, you can check one more time through the preview section of your Google Tag Manager to see your site is working perfectly with your Google Tag Manager or not. Great, we already decode two different ways to connect our Google Tag Manager with our website. But if you are a user of Shopify CMSs, then you have to come to your website backend first, then from the online store enter in this theme section. Now click on this three dot. click on this edit code. Our page is now loading. Right now, here you can see one option called layout. Under the layout, you can see theme.liquid. Under this theme.liquid section, here you can see the height. So place your Google Tag Manager code here. This code, great. Here you can see how we place the code under head section. And now save. Here you can see the body section. If you want to use your body section code here, then you can place it here. Otherwise, leave it. Great, well done. Your Google Tag Manager connection is now created with your website. Now it's time to create one account for Google Analytics 4 and the rest of the process to add Google Analytics 4 with your site. So to do it, go to your search bar and search Google Analytics 4. You will get this interface. Click on the first option. Enter on this website provided from Google. Okay, this is our page. Click on this button, go to Analytics. Now click on Start Measuring. Great. Now from here we have to start the setup, and your first job is to write down account's name. This is the first structure. You interact with your account. Then you have to complete property. Our first name is as Google Tag Manager test. But you can do it as you need. Now it's time to set up property. Here you can see Google data sharing setting. If you want to share your data with Google, you can enable this setting. But if you don't want to share your data with Google, just leave it and click on the next. Now it's time to setting property. The first one was property. It is same as the GTM first account. In the GTM, you can see we was created first the account, then under the account we create the container. In the same way, we are going to create this first account, and then now it's time to create property. Now in the property section, first enter a name for your property. It's required, you can avoid. Then select the time zone based on your location and choose the currency that applies to you. Using this all information in the future, all your reporting will be generated. Great. Now click on the next button. Now from here, select your business category and its size. You can see here a lot of different categories. You can choose one that are similar with your business. If you are not able to find the perfect category for your business, then just select other business activity. Now next, great. Now from here, select your business object and proceed to the next step. Before proceed to the next step, we have to select one business goal from here. Let's say our business goal is drive sale. So now let's go proceed, create the count. It's important to pick perfectly because according to these rules, your dashboard will be ready for you. If you are new, then you don't know that after complete one GA4 account creation, GA4 provides some reports in the dashboard by default, and it's totally depend here on this section. Okay, now great, click on the great. Don't forget to accept this policy again as Google Tag Manager. If you have time, you can read it, otherwise leave it. I accept. Great. Now from here you have to choose the source of your data. Here our source is the web, so select web for next. Now you have to create a stream. Stream work like a pipeline. The website, from the website it will collect data through this. In the first place, you have to place your website URL, then select one stream name. After that, here in this section you can see that GA4 already gives us a lot of inbuilt measure. If you believe you can manage it independently later, please disable this option, otherwise feel free to leave it enabled. Now create and continue. After creating the stream successfully, here is your data stream ready. If you collect the measurement ID, then with the measurement ID we will be able to set up the GA4 with our website through Google Tag Manager. But if you click on the view tag instruction, here you will be able to see the tag provided by Google. As we said, we will connect Google Analytics 4 with your website through Google Tag Manager, so you are not going to use this code. But if you want to use this code to connect GA4 with your website, then just easily copy this code and in the same way place the code under immediately head section and your setup will start working. Now it's time to connect our Google Analytics 4 with our website. To do it, at first collect the measurement ID from the GA4 and came back to the Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager. Now here, click on the tag section to set up a new tag. Click on this new button. Now we have to select our tag type. As our tag type, first one is Google Tag. Now here in this box, place your measurement ID. Here you can see the trigger already selected always. In a line, tag means what should be done and a trigger means when it should be done. After setting up the tag and trigger, now save it and publish it in GTM. Great. Your tag setup is now done. Right now, if you submit this setup from here, your Google Tag Manager will start working with your site. That's mean right now we are able to connect our Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4 with our website successfully. Every time when someone will enter in our site, Google Tag Manager will collect data and it will send the data to Google Analytics 4. Connecting Google Analytics 4 with our website through Google Tag Manager, it's a really good way, because if you use GTM to connect your Google Analytics 4 with your website, then you don't need to touch your website code every time. If you add the GTM code one time, then you can manage everything from the GTM dashboard. It is much safer and easier. That's it for today. Now your GA4 is successfully connected using Google Tag Manager. I hope this video made the process easy for you. If you have any question or face any problem during the setup, just leave a comment below and I will try to help you. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tracking and marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching.